Hello everyone, how all are you guys doing? Welcome to the stream, guys. So let me just see how many of you are joining. Four people are watching. Thank you each and every one of you coming to this live stream. So today I'm going to just talk about the VFX challenge. Today I released the VFX challenge. I hope everyone saw the announcement video. And in this one, I think I saw a lot of people have a lot of questions, so I will answer those questions, and I will quickly show you what you get inside the project file and how to get started basically. So let me know the audio is fine. I mean the music which I put it in the background, it's good. I mean the should I reduce the volume or this is okay? Let me know in the chat so I will adjust accordingly. So meanwhile I will just quickly see the comments which I got on that announcement video, and I will answer live few of the questions. So if I go to my chat section, and so one of the person is asking like the download link is very slow. So I updated the download link. Previously it was a different website, it's called sync.com. Now I updated with the Google Drive link, so you can download from Google Drive. So I think that issue is solved, I guess. Yeah, hello Mr. Anshu. And there was one problem with the download link, so I updated now. And what else the question? Yeah, and one more person is asking about do I need to do a full CG or should I do a DMP comp or like that? And in my website I mentioned it, please don't use generative AI. Okay, that is in the rules section. If you saw the website, please go to the website and check all the rules and all the submission process. So he was asking should I use CGI or matte painting. So you can use both, it depends on you. You can make a matte painting or you can use a CG background. So if you guys saw the announcement video, I mentioned it. Are bhai, in new look glasses look. Thank you. Yeah, just trying a new look in the channel. So I was talking about, yeah, so you can make a CGI if you know how to use a 3D software. You can make your own CG. You can use Blender, it's pretty good. I mean it's very popular. You can use Blender, or you can use matte paint. You can make a Photoshop layer, or you can make a matte painting inside nuke only, and you can make your own background. All you need to do, just follow the theme. Okay, that's it. That's the main you can say the rule. Just follow the theme and make your environment based on the theme. And there is one more question. Yeah, one person also he just asking like you guys all know the Punisher also have their own challenge, right? He recently released his challenge. So personally I will tell you the truth, I inspired by him to make my own challenge. So if you guys know, if you follow him, you all know he doing a full CG community challenge, right? So then I thought let's do a VFX challenge for our community. So what I mean by that VFX challenge, it should be on a live plate. So that's why I provided the plate, so you guys can do some VFX on a live action plate, not full CG type of challenge. So this is a little different. So but I inspired by him, so that's why I released my own challenge. And I think those are the main questions. And one of the people, yeah, and one of the person also asking about should I submit a comp breakdown also. So first of all, just submit your final output. If you get selected, okay, then you can show your breakdown personally to me and for the judges. Then you can read, or you can, what you can do, when you make your final output, you can submit those output with the fill the Google form and submit your output. And for the breakdown, you can upload on your social media, and you can tag me and use hashtags so I can see your breakdown. And I think those are the main questions I got. And let me check, is there anything else in the comment section? I think those are the questions. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know now. I am here to answer a question, and then we will jump into the nuke and I will show you all the assets and how you can get started. So in the project file, what I did, I baked everything. Means the plate is EXR, right? And the camera is ABC, so camera is Alembic. So if you use any other software except nuke, you can use those because it's ABC. And also the rotos is EXR, RGB layer. And I also provided the lens distortion, that also baked. So it's not like you need to use nuke to use those assets. So you can use After Effects, you can use Fusion, any composite software, any software you can use to make your output, make your final comp and submit your final output. So that is my intention. But I am encouraging all of you to use nuke because it's the industry standard for compositing. So I will recommend all of you to use nuke if possible. Okay, Temer Badu Soul. Okay, bro, when VFX jobs coming in India? Bro, VFX jobs are coming slowly. This year we will see many jobs opening. Just wait few months, I would say. Okay, I think let me just put everything aside and I will just open a nuke and quickly show you all the asset inside that project file. If you guys using nuke, this is for nuke guys. In the file I provided a nuke project file also, so you can just open and you will see this. Let me just switch the screen. Guys, let me know the audio is okay, the music which I put it in the background. I hope it's not too loud. I think it's fine, I guess. Why did you delete the podcast? The podcasts are not deleted, they are still there. Guys, audio is okay, the music, let me know. Yeah. Hey, hi Omar. Hi, I'm from Colombia. Nice to meet you, man. Okay, let me share my screen. The comp. Not this one. Yeah. So okay. I hope everyone can see my nuke screen. Let me put this beside. Okay, so if you open the project file, you will see this, all these backdrops and why this is opening? Okay, all these backdrops and these are all the plates, roto, edit ref and everything you will see here. So let me quickly walk through what you get. Obviously you will get the plate and also you get the stamp. So you know the stamp. If you don't know, just Google it. I mean, it's very useful. So this is the plate and this is the lens distortion. As I said, I baked everything, so this lens distortion also baked. You can use this one, and the camera also is baked. So the camera is you can see it's Alembic camera. So the same thing for this one, the plate B, lens distortion, camera, and we have rotos, and I will show you the rotos. So you can see roto is very high detail. You can see, and if I show you the red, green and blue channel, we have all the hair details, right? But still you need to do a lot of comp. Okay, so this is the one and this is the second one. So red and blue, I guess. Yeah, only two channels for this guy, and we have a nice hair detail, and I mean it's very good. And then we have this edit ref. So in the video I mentioned it, you need to match with the edit ref. So this edit ref is like your final composition view. So this is like you can see the two characters, how they are layout and the final framing. So this is like a final frame, all right, with this crop and this, I mean you can see the layout basically. So I provided a two. In this one you can see the character only, and with the checkerboard you can see all the motions and everything. Hello bro, check Discord. New, this is your name. I will check the Discord. Okay. Soul have some questions. Part I want to watch the podcast. It will be available very soon. Soul VFX, can you explain a little about lens distortion asset? If the footage is undistorted and distort again with that asset, or undistort with that asset, a little expansion. Okay, so I will explain the lens distortion part. Just let me just finish this one. Okay, so this is the editor, you can see. So basically you need to keep those two characters and add and replace the entire background. Okay, but as you can see here, I will quickly show you. You can see this brightness and this brightness is different, right? So don't make this kind of dull brightness. Okay, this is just to edit ref, that's why we are doing. So you can see this text pop up and the background. Okay, from to how to how to use this edit ref, just to lay out your plate like this, that's it, and you are done. Okay, just match the height. I mean, see, if you see this girl plate, she is this much tall, so I did a transform to put her here in this position. So use this edit ref to lay out your framing. You can use first frame and you can just lay out, because in this frame they are very sharp, and I just want to play the plate first. So this is a rag defocus shot, you can see. So this is little challenging for you, it's not a very simple shot. They both have rag defocus, you can see. So you need to stitch and then you will get this kind of plate. You can see in the end they are defocusing, so it's little challenging, because in the end you guys can see the background is peeking through because it's a defocus, right? But just expose that, you can see all the trees, you can see behind and here also. So there are a lot of stuff you guys need to do to blend the edges properly. Okay, wait, I think I've got any message. No. Okay, so the person Soul VFX is asking about the lens distortion. So you guys can see I provided a plate and lens distortion. You don't need to touch the plate at all. Okay, plate is distorted and we don't do undistort on the plate. Okay, we do undistort when we're doing match move. Okay, but when we comping anything in the background with the character, we don't do undistort on the plate. You can use this distortion to distort your environment, the background what you're going to post here. I mean here you can use the lens distortion to distort your BG, not the plate. That's it. Utkarsh have a question. Footage is defocus. If it shows more visibility in the BG, it might be more interesting. Otherwise, it's a great challenge. I participate. Yeah, okay, I missed it. The defocus change sometimes. Yeah, it's a rag defocus. So Utkarsh, this is just download the plate and you will see. And the framing, you will see it's 75 frames. So you can just see here. These are all 75 frames. So you have to use all the frames. It's not like you can use only 140 frames. You have to use all the frames to submit your final output. Okay, so check the plate length. So this one also 75. I think this one also should 75. Yeah, so the both are 75 frames. Just double check the project setting. I think it's 73, so make it 75. Okay, and use all frames. It's a rag defocus shot. So in the first frame the girl is in focus, and in the last frame she is in out of focus. Okay. where I can read the challenge rules. I will post the link. If I think you did not saw the video, I guess, so I will post the link here, so you can just go and check that. So check this link and go here and read all the rules and everything. You can find all the details for this challenge, all the prizes and guest list. I'm updating the guest list, so you guys have 1 month to submit your output. Just make sure check the date also. So I think the lens distortion question confusion is solved. And guys, I provided the 2 cameras, so you can see I will just open this camera and this camera also. So they are very close to each other. Why? Because the scene is same, only the character is changing. For example, if I from this girl plate, if I select this rock, you can see this rock in this other plate also. See this rock is here. So the location is same, only the character changing and camera position, orientation, everything is changing. So I align my camera based on that. You can use this camera, or if you want, you can do your own match move camera and you can use that. I just provided what I think is good for you, so I track the camera and I give it to you. And also the last thing is the reference. So these are the Last of Us reference, so it's pretty good. So you can use this one to make your post apocalypse theme kind of an environment, or you can grab some more reference from Pinterest and from Google. It's up to you totally where you can grab the reference, but I also provided these 2 references. This one is from the game and this is from the series. So these are the assets you will get in the project file. Check my work. Okay. Oh yeah, I will check your work and I will Saksham. Okay, Saksham, I will check your work. So these are the files and everything. So if you guys have any questions regarding the challenge, please let me know. And so this stream is all about to showing you all the asset and answering your questions regarding the VFX challenge. Okay, where can I find good matte painting images? I'm not sure. You just have to do a lot of research about the matte painting. You just have to pick a lot of images and make your own matte painting in Photoshop or in Nuke. Or you can use 3D also, because if you saw this plate, okay, this plate is very static. I mean, there is not much perspective going on, only the XYZ movement and the defocus, right? So you can render 1 frame in Blender or something, make your environment, and then you can use that one. So it's totally up to you. You just have to show your creativity. That's all I can say. If I open one of the shot, I will show you. I will show you the background which I put it here. So let me just import that. Output just I want to show you how it will look in the end. Where is that? Yeah, so this is just a single frame. Yeah, sRGB, and make sure you check the color space. So if you download this project file, it's already set Rexo 9 SS, so make sure all the read files is Rexo 9. So make sure you set your project file also Rexo 9. I will update this one on my website, so you will not gonna get confused by the color space issue. Okay, can we use download asset from Google? What do you mean by download asset? I mean, you have to make, like, you can use like smoke and all those extra element, but environment, I mean, if you create, it will be better instead of just downloading a single image from Google and just putting behind it. Okay, bro, can you expect your next video with Tony? Yeah, I will try. I will ask Tony. Okay, can we use download? Yeah. Karan, can I swap the character's position? No, I mean, you need to match with this edit track. That's the whole point. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking like this kind of swap position, right? But we don't want to do exactly the same. Okay, that's the whole point. Here you can see this is what I did. This is just a slap comp, just to show you the final look. I mean, how the framing. So you can see the framing is matched with this editor. You can see is one-to-one match with the editor. Only thing I change is the background and the grading according to the background. You can change the grading according to the background to blend it the character better in the environment. Okay, and how to blend the open poly here. I will talk to you about this open poly here. I'm not understanding what exactly your question is. Yeah, current situation of the industry and this future is good. You just need to have a little more patience. This year you will see many opportunities will come. Where should we submit? Alright, I think I need to open my website and just to show you guys. Okay, so showdown.com. Let me just open my website and I will show you. Okay, so if you go here, go to the VFX channel. I already put this link, so you can see the countdown is already started. Okay, the countdown is already started. Wait, I think let me just move my camera, I guess, coming in the front. Okay, let me just turn off the camera for now, so you can just clearly show you the whole website. So here you can see the rules and submission. If you click here, it will jump here directly. So you can see the guideline here, you can see all the rules here, and here you can submit. Click here, it will open a Google form. You have to submit this Google form with your name and your submission link. You have to put on YouTube or Vimeo so we can see it, and the software which software you like. If you use multiple software, just put a comma and just add the software name. That's it. And if you want, you can add social media link. It's totally optional, but these are three. It's recommended. So you can submit here and you can use hashtag, and this is the final date, 13 March. All right, and these are the prices and judges. I will update the judges, and you can download from here. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Okay, and Soul VFX, I have one more questions. Can we download a free 3D asset, or we need to create everything by our own? You can download, like as I said, you can download asset like free 3D asset, but you know the layout and rendering, all those things, lighting and everything, you have to do it your own. The free 3D asset is available everywhere. You can use it. It's not like you have to create everything from scratch. But don't use pre-made background, everything, generative AI, all those things. But building or maybe CG objects, it's up to you. You can add CG building. See, I give you the theme. Now you have to imagine yourself, show your creativity. You can just add anything. It's not like I added this sky and this building here, so you have to do the same. You can do anything. It's totally up to you. That's why I provided this one. This is just to show you the final look. If you guys doing with the sky one, you don't need to add the sky. You can just imagine how much you can do with these images, with this plate. Here is global. So it's totally up to you guys. I just give you the theme, so just follow the theme. That's it. Okay, got it. Yeah, Karan, if you have any question, you can ask, or you can ask in the server also. Soul VFX, can we touch the foreground plate for CC and little relight? Yeah, you can. As I said, now if you saw this output and if you saw the final the raw plate, you can see the CC is changed a lot, right? So it's not the same CC. I will just go to the last frame. Yeah, here. I think the first frame. Yeah, see here and here. I changed the CC to blend those characters with the plate. So you can do it, but I would say don't push too much. Just to as you said, relighting. So try to avoid relighting, try to do a little relighting, because if you do too much relighting it will look fake, it will look fake. Okay, because this is a live plate, it's not a CG that we can do a proper relighting. So try to avoid relighting. If you want to do, just do a little bit, but obviously you can do CC on a plate, that's totally fine. Because this plate we saw, this is like a full overcast lighting. So if I show you the background, here you can see it's fully overcast scene. There is no directional light in this entire shot, in this shot and this shot also. There is no directional light, it's totally overcast. So that's why you have to think this one also, that there is no directional light. Based on that you need to create your environment. Yeah, Soul Effects, got it. Thank you for joining. And I think just delete this one, and this is fine. Okay, and lastly I just want to show you here what you will get inside the folder. That's why I have this. Where did that accept? Okay, wait, let me just open that folder. So I want to show you what you will get inside that folder. Challenge, project file. Yeah, I think this is it. If I go front view, yeah, now you can see. So if you download this file, you will see this nuke files and you will see this asset folder. I hope you guys can see this one. Are these two cameras, and both have a different animation, and the last, how to match both plate camera animation. I will give you a little little tip here how you can do that. Just first let me explain this one. So this is the this is a nuke script. This one, this is just open this one, and in asset folder you will see this boy plate and this girl plate. If I do this, yeah, boy plate and girl plate, and you have camera, edit ref, final roto, lens distortion. Let me just open this tool so you guys can see here. Yeah, I think you're not gonna see. So in the boy plate you will see the boy plate EXR. In the cameras there is a 2 EXR, two ABC file, and edit ref, the 2 edit ref, final roto, EXR rotos, girl plate, EXR, lens distortion, single EXR for boy and girl, and the reference, these two reference. That's it. So these are the assets you will get in the file. Okay, so this guy is Mr. Anshu is asking, you know, how to match these things. So I will give you the quick idea of what you need to do. So you will get how to match with this edit ref. Okay, so in this edit ref, this girl plate is our master plate. Okay, what I mean by that, we need to add that boy character in this frame here. Okay, so as I said, we have a roto. So what you need to do, where is my expression node? I forgot the name. Alphabet, yeah. So if I connect this one, now I have this alpha roto, and now I will just quickly show you the process. You need to mask this one, and then you need to reposition this girl like this. Okay, and then you have to do the same thing and add that character here. Okay, but as you said, there is a different motion for both plate. So for the boy plate, as I said, I provided a camera, so you need to use this camera to stabilize this plate and then add the character here. Okay, like let me just do it here. Let's connect this one. I'm just quickly showing you what you need to do. So this one is also this merge, so I can just merge those like this and add transform for this guy also, and I will just repositioning like this. So like this is my final frame. Till here is all clear, I guess. Let me go to the first one. Yeah, and here you can just move here this like this. Till here everything is clear. So we have these two characters we added, but now the problem is this girl have a different camera motion, this guy have different camera motion, so we need to cancel one of the camera motion. And as I said, the girl plate is our master plate, so we don't need to touch her. We need to change the motion for this boy. So as I said, we have a camera, so we can use this camera to stabilize this guy here. Okay, and then you can do we can do like, if I add a dot, stabilize here. You need to stabilize here, and then you can do a reframing. You can do a reframing, and then here you can do match move. Now for the match move, we need to use this girl camera, because for the boy camera we use this boy camera to stabilize this plate. That means there is no camera motion. Then you need to use this girl camera to add this girl camera motion here, and then we need to merge it here. So that way they both will move same. I mean the camera motion will be the same for the both plate. And one more thing, that I not use roto plate specially of the character, so I can have no idea which tool should I use for edges and blending for the motion blocks. So I can, so can you show how to use roto in a different plate? Okay, and if you have any plates or make a tutorial for rotos tools, it will be great. Yeah, I will try to make a tutorial. So I hope till here is clear. You need to stabilize with this boy camera and do your transformation just like I did here, and then do a match move with this girl camera, because you need to match this girl camera motion. Then you can merge it here, then they will both will move in a same way. That's it. This is the basic way. Okay, and but you need to match here. The same thing happening. I stabilize this boy plate and then match move with this girl camera plate. And you also, I think you need to do a little time offset, because the defocus timing is little different. So if I go here, see till here is very sharp. In the next frame she is defocused, but in the same frame if I check the boy frame, the boy is still in focus. In few frames, after 2 frames, this guy is in defocus. So there is a 2 frame offset you need to do in order to match the rack defocus. Don't do any retime anything, just do a time offset. So that's it. So this is the basic workflow. I mean, I just quickly show you, but this is the idea. I hope you got answer. Anshu, yeah, Anshu, right? You asked, yeah. Cool. I think, let me know if you have anything, guys. So I think I will switch the view to the face cam. Let me know, guys, if you have anything, so we can wrap up now. If anyone have any question, let me know. So because now I'm ending the stream, because I think how much time passed? Yeah, 37 minutes. Okay, I think I covered everything about this challenge. I will update the color space in my website, so make sure you check the color space what you need to put. It should be SS Rec 709. Okay, my Discord is popping up. Cool. I think no one have any questions, so I think we can wrap up here. So I will try to make my own version on the live stream. So while how I am working on this shot, you guys can see and guys can get an idea what you need to do. But I'm not gonna show you how to match with the editor. That's something you have to do your own. You have to figure out, this is like a small exercise for you to stitch two plate and match with the editor. That is what we do regularly. The edit trash is like it's a main one. Cool. I think can wrap up, guys. So I'm excited to see your outputs. Hopefully you also are very excited for the challenge. So this is like my first challenge, and last thing I forgot to tell you is like this challenge, there is no sponsor for this challenge because I think this is my first challenge. So whatever I'm doing my own. But the one good thing is the plates and all the asset like the roto, especially the roto and the plate is provided by Granite Imagery. So huge thank you to Granite Imagery and big shout out to Granite Imagery. Make sure to check the link for their website and their amazing work. They provided the plate and the rotos, which is amazing. Cool. Yeah, thank you Soul Effect, thank you everyone, thank you so much for joining this stream and giving your time. Hoping to see your good output, and as I said, we will see you in a next live stream or in the next tutorial. Good night, guys. We will see you in a very next one. I'm just changing the page. Bye.